Ostrich giant bird. A very big bird. An ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Most ostriches eat taller than the taller people. Ostriches have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. An ostrich can run fast and far. It's fastest animals with two legs. It runs fast than most four-legged animals. Eyes on the bright. Ostrich has a small head with big eyes. These eyes are bigger than those and of another land animal. Home's sweet home. Most whales ocean live in Africa. They live in small herds of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. Their sharp eyes and long necks have them spot dangers from far away. What's on the menus? Ostriches eat grass, other plants and fruits. They also eat birds and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink much water. They get water from the plants and fruits they eat. Looks outrun lions and cheetahs. Hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be out the lookout. These long necks help them look fast. They have strong legs and big feet. An ostrich can kick very hard. It kicks and kills a lion. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see lions. The nose warns all the animals that lions are near. From big eggs or big birds and males, ostriches dig a swallow's bit in the dirt for a nest. Those moths lays their eggs in the bed. In 6 weeks, baby ostriches hatch from the eggs. The baby ostriches eat the side from a grown chicken. An ostrich chick grows 1 foot. Their next month is 6 months. A baby ostrich will be grown. It can live for 50 years or more. Conclusion: Ostriches are special birds. They are strong and fat. Ostriches are bigger than any other bird.